So, all advice that we give to others is almost autobiographical because the mistakes that we have made in our life or the experiences that have gone bad that we think are the ones that we learn from, and that is how that is the source of our advice that we give to ourselves and others. So, this book, Steal Like an Artist, the same thing author has written for everyone, for himself and for others, but in a way, he's giving that advice to himself. And he discovered in a decade of trying to make art that all of these ideas apply to everyone, to anybody who's creatively pursuing a job or a profession. So, wherever you are, whatever you make, whoever you are, this book is for you. How to look at the world like an artist. So, if you get asked the question that where do you get your ideas from, then an honest artist answers, I steal them. First, you steal from the first stuff and then you move on to the next thing. Once you have that kind of a perspective, then you don't classify the things into good and bad. Then there's stuff that's worth stealing from and the stuff that is not worth stealing from. Once you identify that, then you can take the action. And there's stuff that you might not find worth stealing from now, which happens with a lot of us in our lives. But tomorrow or someday other, you might find that worth stealing from. Someone has said the only art I'll ever study from is the one that's worth stealing from. So nothing is original. It's right there in the Bible that there's nothing new under the sun. And if we are able to put away the burden of creating something extremely original, then we can actually embrace the fact that there are so many things and we can create something out of the things that have already been created as well. Some people find this idea depressing, but honestly, everything has been said and done before, but it must be said and done again because nobody was listening. A good artist knows that there's nothing new under the sun. And when we remark that something is original, then 9 out of the 10 times we don't know where the resource is.